GoodNotes, you can click the plus sign here to add a new planner and then download the Life Change Planner that I sent to you, the health tracker. So, or you can open it from your email and then open with GoodNotes. So once you open it, we'll click on it here. And it will open up to this first page here. So when you're here, if you look up at the corner, there is a pen with a little circle around it. If you click on that, that is where you can type on the planner. But let's make sure that's closed for the moment. And you can click on January, the tab, and it will go to January, the month. Once you're in January, you can click on any of the dates to go to that daily view. So let's click on the 21st. That'll take us to the 21st. So once you're on your date and you want to write in your meals or you want to write down your agenda for the day, you click on that pen at the top right corner with the circle around it, and that will give you your options. So if you have a stylus or a iPad pen, you can click on the pen, and then I would zoom in so that you can write close up, and then you can write what you're going to do in the morning. At 6 a.m. I'm going to work out, and then I work at 8, for example. If you would rather type, if you have a keyboard with your iPad or if you're on the computer, you can click type, the T over here with the square around it, and then you'll be able to type in what your plan is for the day. I'm going to have lunch. So you can either type or write on it. You also have the ability to erase. You can click on the eraser up here and you can erase anything that you've written. You can add pictures. You can do all sorts of fun stuff. You can download stickers from Etsy or other places. You can get some stickers to put on here as well and import those as pictures. So there's a lot of fun stuff you can do. And then when you're done, you can click up at the top, then you'll be able to swipe to get to the self-care at the end here. And you can write down if you met your goals, if you what your morning routine is, your